Alright, this isn't gonna be anything special. Just basically a quick breakdown of what I'm looking for my trade setup specifically. I'm not gonna get super technical. I just mainly want to show what the execution looks like and my thought process during price action. So this is market replay from today. So first thing I notice right off the bat, here's market open at 9:30, and what I see here, perfect equal lows. So what I'm for sure gonna do is mark that. Market opened equal lows. I'll just extend that out to the right throughout the rest of the day. So all this, I'm just watching. I have no type of entry or anything here, so even though this is going up, it'll go up without me because there was no entry for me. And I'll check the higher time frames. Okay, so this high has been taken. Something to keep in mind. Buy side liquidity has been taken. Likely to now search out sell side liquidity. Nothing here for me. Keep in mind the market was pumping all night through Asia before this opened. So right now we just had a big expansion upwards all night into the morning. Swept buy side liquidity. And now I'm just waiting for the market to basically show me a reason to reach for something. Most likely sell side of some sort, since we just took buy side. All people's stop orders up here that were short have now been taken. So this to me looks somewhat bullish. Engineered liquidity, but no entry. So I'll mark this low. Okay, so now that we've made a swing low, swing high, a lower low, a lower high, and a lower low again, this to me is a market structure shift. So we've gone from buy side of the curve now to sell side of the curve. Another thing I'll mark out is this bullish fair value gap, because it's possible that price comes down here and bounces up and goes continue back up. But if we were to close below this, then I immediately become bearish and start looking for a short opportunity towards most likely this target. Go down to the 30-second chart. We don't need that. Okay. Now we're getting some displacement lower. But like I said, I still wouldn't touch anything until we close below this. It's like this all still looks pretty bullish to me, you know? More trendline liquidity. This looks like generated liquidity to go higher. But again, my specific setup has not presented itself, so I'm not touching anything. So this is all really choppy. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I don't want to trade any of that. I need a big movement in one direction. Give me a good idea of where we want to go. Equal lows here. Got swept. Okay. Now this is what I want to see. Now this is displacement down. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Wow, okay. So now, here's this. The close below this, like I was talking about. Now I would go to the 30-second chart to look for an entry. Boom. Okay, there it is right there. So, why I like this so much is because we just swept these lows here. Oops. Okay. Had a little rebound up, but the thing that I like is we get into this bearish fair value gap and we get an immediate inverse. That is what I trade, inverse fair value gaps. So as soon as this inverses, like that, I'm going to look to short. Stop loss here. Target here, these equal lows. Sell. Stop loss above here. Take profit here. Okay. Bang. Okay, there's that. And then now is actually where my favorite setup comes into play. Now, this high value point of interest, these equal lows, has now been taken. Now that we've had a big displacement move down, like really, really aggressive, came straight down, took these. Now I look for an inverse back long. So this gap, and there it is. As soon as I see this, I'm in. Why did it have to go back so far? Okay, well, I would have entered here. Targeting here. But the thing didn't stop. Anyway. That's lame. Entry should technically be here, because that's where I would have entered, but thing. So you can see that works pretty instantly. Yeah. That's pretty much it.